It is 1:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this 8th day of June 2021. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, big moves across the board. I mean, really, relative to the low in May, and then fast forwarding to, well, I guess the low in May was back there, but okay, so there's a couple things I want to point out. First, we had this prior head and shoulder inside, right? And now we have what appears to be, this is the $1,000 3-box reversal chart for Bitcoin. Now what it looks like is we have another one of these types of moves with a breakdown lower, failed to continue, moved higher, continue, and blah, 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 blah. I really don't know if this really is not a head and shoulders pattern, but the structure, I think, is important to recognize because it's very much a foldback pattern. And I suppose we've got to look at that on the daily chart, don't we? This is going to give us the roadmap of how we should expect price action to play out. So a foldback pattern is really just a repetition of the prior swing structure. And we can see that represented by the use of the bar pattern tool. So if I just plop it right here where it looks like it began. Oops, that's not true at all. Same spot. And, oh, I know why I did that. Never mind. I should know what I'm doing first before I hit record, huh? And we flip it. There we go. So this is just a mirror image, basically, of, well, it's just we're looking at the same swing structure repeat. And it's been doing that pretty consistently. And so what are we supposed to be looking for here? A pretty sizable move down. And the point and figure chart really, I think, brings that out pretty well. If you want to look at this in a very bearish format, I mean, it's there. The fib retracement, I mean, we've broken down that 50% level. We'll probably get that bounce at 28,000. And that, by the way, 20,000 shouldn't be a huge surprise because I've been talking about that level for weeks now. So it seems like a natural area to see some buyers step in, but heck, we may down all the way down to 24K. And if I do a fib extension of these levels, yeah, there's a pretty good collection between 26 and 28 here. The 618 is at 26K, 200% extensions at 27,000 even. Yeah, there's a pretty good amount of reason to suspect we do travel sub 30K on Bitcoin. And also, Ichimoku wise, that's pretty much the same thing as that we're going to see that move continue south. I mean, there's really strong continuation set up here. Really no reason to think that it won't continue to move lower. We're very close to crossing below the point of no return here. That is at 31,250 is kind of the make it or break it point, because if that doesn't hold, it's a swift trip to 23, 24K. Heck, according to 28K might not even be a thing. Volume is getting higher though, so that's something to pay attention to. Pay attention to the volume as we move on. And another thing about the point and figure chart is this current setup. So if you're a bull, and this is a complete corrective move in Elliott wave as well. So where are you at? I mean, this is complete, all right. But looking at the point and figure chart, we have this split double bottom and then regular double bottom. Then we have this entry, all right. It failed to move south. So if we get a reversal, We get a new column of X's, and then we get an entry on next. That is a bear trap formation on the point and figure chart, which I don't think will make us move up a ton. Might bring us back to, I mean, I guess that is a lot, to 47K, 47,000 or so. But look for any move where we do break back above 40K, because that could sustain a pretty strong drive higher. But otherwise, yeah, the dip here, really watch for a drop between 32,250, because that's kind of the make or break point as far as are we going to continue to hold any type of support or not. That does it for me. Real quick, short and sweet. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, please don't forget to like and subscribe.